Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to add logo on Capcut. So here I will show you how to adding the logo in Capcut on browser of your PC, because I do much prefer editing on Capcut browser version, because it's much of video template, but I mean videos, free video. But the thing is, if you are using browser, you can't find the templates when you open on your phone. So here I will show you how to adding the logo. Here I have some footage like this. This is just free footage. I want to add some logos on this video. I will select this media, and then I will upload an image. So I will find an image, for example this one. Wait until it's uploaded. It takes 2 to 3 seconds, I think. And then now it's finished, and then I can click this plus, or you can just drag the logo on the upper of your video or on the bottom on your video. Oh, it's enabled to put it on the like this. Okay, it's enabled to put it on the bottom or underneath your main video. So I put above the video. So I will stretch the timeline, and then here I will resize the image into a logo size like this. Also, you can change the opacity of your logo by blend it. You just adjust the opacity into how many percent. I recommend to you to use 80%. And then now you can place this logo whatever you want. If you put it on the middle or on the center, you can set the opacity into, let's say, 40 or 30%. So that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.